Vishakhapatnam, the city of destiny. Vizag is undoubtedly the most developed city in the residuary state of Andhra Pradesh. Vizag is also in the Smart City project announced by central government along with Ajmer and Allahabad. Many foreign investors are looking towards Vizag to set up software and other industries. It is also backed by a host of advantages which make it a popular destination for business establishments as well as domestic settlers. The peaceful environs, serene atmosphere, and pleasant climate, coupled with highly conducive living conditions, make Vizag a desirable place to settle. Moreover, the facilities and infrastructure in the city, along with the affordable cost of living, make it a heaven for families looking to adopt a soothing lifestyle. The city's profile as a desirable place to settle in is growing exponentially. Wood farming. World's most popular and costliest wood is sandalwood. White sandalwood is widely known as Chandanam or Srigandham in South India and Chandan in North India. White sandalwood's botanical name is Santalum album. Only 8 countries in the world such as India, Indonesia, Australia, New Caledonia, Fiji Islands, Philippines, Sri Lanka and Malaysia are blessed with climatic conditions ideal for growing sandalwood. Only Indian sandalwood has the highest quality of oil, which makes our sandalwood more demand globally. Sandalwood has 4,000 years old history in India. Sandalwood oil is used in aromatherapy, perfumes, soaps, incense sticks, face powders, etc. Sandalwood is also used in fine carvings and sculptures of idols, chariots. Red sandalwood is having very high demand worldwide and the trees grow only in South India. Recent auction of AP government shows its demand worldwide. Universal Cash Crops India Private Limited. Universal Cash Crops India Private Limited was formed with a group of people from scientific farming and business background. Our team have the passion and commitment to develop sandalwood farms in a big way in the coming years. We are known for the uniqueness in approach, responsibility, responsiveness for thousands of contented customers. We are working on this project with the valuable suggestions from the scientists, biologists, and horticulturists from reputed universities for high profits in future for the investors and the company. By doing systemic and organized cultivation for 12 to 15 years, we can achieve optimum output of heartwood. Red sandalwood's botanical name, Pterocarpus santalinus. Our company will maintain these cash crops for the entire period of 12 to 15 years without any further investment from the customer. After harvesting, the profits will be shared on 50-50 ratio between the investors and the company. We will get approximately 40 to 50 kgs heartwood from 12 years Srigandham trees and the present market value is rupees 8,500 approximately. We will get approximately 60 to 100 kgs heartwood from 12 to 15 years red sandalwood trees and the present market value is rupees 5,000 to rupees 19,500 approximately. For unit size of 5 cents, we get 20 white sandalwood plants and 16 red sandalwood plants. 10 cents, 40, 32. 25 cents, 100, 90. 35 cents, 140, 126. Project highlights. Welcome to Chandan Valley at Vakapalli. World-class cultivation of red and white sandalwood trees at Green Nature. 100 acres land for the cultivation of sandalwood trees. Nursery management of plants. Vermicompost. Red sandalwood plants. White sandalwood plants. Plantation management. JCB at work. Daily labor and machinery are used to maintain the site properly for good growth of sandalwood plants. Weekend clubhouse. Each and every member of Chandan Valley family can utilize the clubhouse on weekends with family for natural refreshment and enjoyment. Banquet hall. Restaurant. Guest rooms. Swimming pool. Children play area. Swinging, basketball, indoor games like billiards, table tennis, etc. Universal Divine House, the universal prayer and meditation center for peace of mind. Customer meet. Every Sunday, company conducts weekend mela for facilitating the updated information to the customers. Staff rooms. Office rooms. Cow shelter. Organic plants. Bamboo hut viewpoint. Here you can view the lake. Entrance arch. Solar pump system. Compound wall with solar fencing. CC cameras. Security guards. Hunting dogs. Drip irrigation system. And 24 feet wide roads. Chandan Valley nearest visiting spots. Valabu Waterfalls. Raivada Reservoir at Devarapalli. Crops at Devarapalli. River Sharda. Shiva Temple at Timiram. Check Dam at Temple. Bora Caves. Anantagiri Hill Station, Araku Valley. Tribal Museum. Simhachalam. Tatipudi Reservoir. Location highlights: geographically located in between three mandal headquarters of Devrapalli, K. Kotapadu and Chodavaram of Vizag district. 50 kilometers from NED X roads. 1 hour drive from Vizag International Airport. Surrounded by beautiful hill views, greenery and tourism spots. Close to Ravada Reservoir. Plenty of tasty groundwater. Universal Cash Crops India Private Limited, Corporate Office, Flat number 204-208, Sri Satya Sai Complex, Bocha Square, Murali Nagar, Visakhapatnam 7. www.chandanveli.com, www.universalcashcrops.com.